Qhamuka nje umlungu nje, hey man, come here. What do you know? Do you have work? No, but that come here, come here. Come, you. Why are you standing like that? Come here, climb in. Ngagibela sothola umsebenzi. And akakuyi nokuthi yoba yokugeza izinto ukuthatha amakati lapha.
Ah, she's cool, bruh. She's cool, I'm telling you.
Usebenza into ephilayo. Yabo. Ngabanye abelungu yakuthatha ukufaka emsebenzini kanti uyokugezisa izinto yakhathisa amakati lapha. Afuna ululamisa icripple lakhe umntana ke.
No, dog. Ah, she's no, right? Couple like it's diabolical, bro. No.
Hlala ngatoli boyfriend. Udile ngaye mawungasemisa icripple lakhe umntana ke. Hlala ngatoli boyfriend. Udile ngaye awusahambi lapho zonke. Mawuthi hamba uvulela izinto basidonore lapha le cripple.
Hey, nigga done seen them woes, bro. Nigga done seen them woes. What? Don't finna call over the lizinja. That's diabolical, bro. What?
My friend. Udile ngaye awusahambi lapho zonke. Mawuthi hamba uvulela izinto basidonore lapha le cripple. Yashawula ifibo.
Nah, bro, that's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong, bro.